Nwanne Di Na Mba. Nwanne Di Na Mba. Ọkwara nna bụ ihe na-ekene gị. Ngwa buru. Otu, abụọ, atọ, yo.
Very good. Thank you very much. So, you want to say something? What quite an honor. And you know what? My heart has been in Africa for numbers of years. And when I was there was during the troubled time, a lot of starvation and so on. But today, what I've seen then wasn't very pretty. But what I see now is you guys are survived, you're fighters, and even have a young brother living with me. I hope some of you met. And I'm so pleased you guys recognize what I've done. What I didn't do it to be recognized, I do it because I love you. God bless you. Thank you very much. Thank you. So we thank the Igbo community, and also we thank Serge for all the good and support he gives to us. Now, there is something here, there is something about what we have just done. You see, are you listening to me? See, there is always